predictive plus generative is a term that just now resonated. Now, predictive AI, when you use that, you're forecasting and predicting whether that's an anomaly or whether that's a fault that is occurring, or whether that's an irregularity within a condition that could happen, right? The generative AI now, when added on top of the predictive AI, helps you convert that into a human-readable, human-understandable fashion or in human-understandable language, and makes it much more easier for the human to synthesize that information and bring it. Now, it doesn't stop there. You can get that generative AI capabilities and information back into the machine and trigger certain further additional processes from there as well. The outcomes that you could get, or the value that you can get from the predictive plus generative AI, could be again differently. Now, what we have done is to give you the true value output out of the box for these technologies. We just recently introduced the world's first industrial LLM. Now, the large language model that we introduced to the market allows you to use it out of the box through an API or integrate it into your downstream and upstream processes, but it has been trained on 3 trillion plus data points, anonymized data that we have collected over time. And this allows you to now go in and integrate it into your downstream, upstream processes. So when an anomaly happens, you can utilize the knowledge base through the LLM and get the output, get the reasoning on why that happened, what happened, and also run the what-if analysis on top. Now, what we've also done is we have also introduced what we call as industrial co-pilots. So we've introduced 3 co-pilots to the market. One of them is Reliability Co-Pilot, which helps you answer any questions related to your asset reliability. We've also introduced Connected Worker Co-Pilot, which can help you with your knowledge base, let's say knowledge base access through a co-pilot kind of interface. And then we've also introduced what we call as Digital Manufacturing Co-Pilot, which can help you with your manufacturing operations management. So all 3 co-pilots are geared towards different personas, but then help you use the predictive AI and generative AI technologies internally, but out of the box provide the value in much more easier to use in a chat-like interface for the end users to use that capability in much faster way.